Let's learn the easiest method to solve this sum. A man bought an article and sold it at a gain of 5%. So we don't know the actual amount at which the man has bought the article. So let us assume that the man has bought the article at rupees 100. Now it is said that he has sold it at a gain of 5%. 5% of 100 means 5. So 100 plus 5, you are getting the selling price 105. Now it is said if he had bought it at 5% less, that means what? According to our assumption, we have assumed that cost price is 100. Now it is said that if the cost price is 5% less, so 5% less of 100, 5% of 100 is what? 5. So 100 minus 5, 95. That means if the cost price is 95 and sold it for rupees 1 less, he would have made a profit of 10%. It is said 10% profit. 10% profit is according to the CP in the second condition. So CP, that is cost price, in the second condition is 95. So 95 into 10 by 100, that is 10% of 95, you are getting 9.5. That is your profit. So here the selling price will be cost price plus profit, that is 95 plus 9.5, you are getting 104.5. So now if we find out the difference of selling price before and after, you are getting 0.5. This 0.5 unit in actual is representing rupees 1, because here 0.5 is less according to our assumption, and it is said that selling price becomes rupees 1 less. So this 0.5 unit which you have got, this is equal to what? This is equal to rupees 1 in actual. Now using the unitary method, if we find out the value of 1 unit, it will be equal to rupees 1 divided by 0.5. It is asked to find out the cost price of the article, that is rupees 100 according to our assumption. So 1 into 100 you are doing in the left side, so in the right side also you need to multiply by 100. So now let us solve this. 1 into 100 in the numerator, you are getting rupees 100 divided by 0.5. 0.5 means half, so 2 will come in the numerator, you are getting rupees 200. So here the cost price of the article is rupees 200.